Welcome to CAD 36. We see this part in Solidworks. This elbow and two flanges. This is the drawing. We do first this elbow, second this flange, and third this top flange. We see how to make in Solidworks. And the product weight will be 1 kg 400 grams. Weight also we will find. Go to front plane, sketch, and make a circle. Make another circle. So we need to get the center line. So make it 2 circle and close this with line and trim this. Then make a dimension. The inner radius to be 100 and the outer radius to be 150. So this is as per the drawing. But we need to take the center. So we going to measure and get the half distance. It is 25 mm. Okay, just offset this to 25 mm. The inner circle. Offset. Then delete remaining things, or you can directly draw to the 125 mm radius. The line. We go as per the drawing. Okay. Then exit this sketch. Then go to the top line and make a circle with this end point. Make a circle and the circle to be 45 dia. This is our pipe going to come. And the pipe thickness to be 3 mm thick. So offset to the 3 mm. Okay, then exit the sketch, then go to sweep boss base. Then it is already selected the sketch. Now we have to give the path only. So select this path and okay. So our elbow is ready now. We need to make a flange part, second part. So select this, make a sketch and make a circle there. Make 3 circles. One is for OD, that OD to be 90 mm, 90 dia. This is PCD. This PCD is 70 dia. And third one is inner dia, that already we fixed it. So make this PCD into center line for construction. Now make this for a whole 10 dia hole. Okay. Then go to the circular sketch. So select the entity, which entity to be array. So and change the point, center point from the origin, and we need 4 holes. Okay. Then extrude this flange for 10 mm. No need to merge this one. Remove the tick and extrude. The base flange is ready now. Now we can make a top flange. So select the area and make sketch and make a circle. Again we have to make a 3 circle. There 2 circle and 2 circle from this side. Both side in the center. Okay. Select these 2 circle and make it equal. Okay. So pick a line and drop it somewhere in the circle. It will automatically connect to the tangent. If you see the tangent symbol, then click it. Same way. Repeat it all sides. Okay. Okay. Now go to the trim and trim this area. Here also. Okay. Then make a circle. Yeah, before that we make some relation horizontal. Then make a circle. This 2 circle to be give some relation equal. Okay. Then go to dimension and make this outer radius to be 15. This whole dia to be diameter 15. Okay. And this radius to be 35. Okay, so from this distance, center to hole to be 65, from this hole to this hole to be 65. Okay, now we will adjust this. So select this center point and this circle outer and give the relation concentric. Okay, so it will set. See, the drawing is in black, so it is fully defined. So go to extrude, remove the merge cell, the flange thickness to be 10 mm, then accept this. Okay, this is finished. Now you can give the material, what material you want. I'm selecting the carbon steel. So to find the weight, okay, if you want to change the color, go to appearance and change the color, what color you want. I'm not the good color picker. You can select the color what you want. Then go to evaluate, mass property. Then you can see the weight here, 1 kg 400 grams. If you want it kg, you can change it in kg. See, now it is 1 kg 400 grams. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Thanks. Bye.